rice. Oh, or oyster. The bell just rang. That means about church. Or bakute. Greetings from Singapore. I'm now at the iconic Lau Pa Sat. This is a food center, and today is Sunday. It's about 7:45 p.m. Lots of people. And right here at the gate number 4, there's a Satay Street. So many customers. Still seafood. More satay here. Wow. Oh, or oyster. Lots of foreigners at the Lau Pa Sat. I think over 70%. Hainanese chicken rice and the Igbo sweet curry chicken noodle. Here the street food, popiah, rojak. Really buy a muaji, pan. How do you guys feel when locals, when foreigners try the food of your country? Do you feel happy? I think as a local Singaporean, we will feel proud if the foreigners actually like our food. And even if they like our food, they just give some comments. It's okay because not all the food will suit them. It's up to this individual, right? Second of bao here. One tummy, butter and cream. There's also a Thai food. The bell just rang. That means about church. Or bakute. Another store selling Hokkien Mee right here. But this one is a carrot cake. There's also a food, kind of indoor food section, the Munji pancakes. Wow. You can actually buy some souvenirs right here. Look at the t-shirts. More of the t-shirts here, the Malayan. Some ice cream sold here. And the coffee. Hope you guys enjoyed the brief tour of the Lau Pa Sat. Thanks everyone for watching once again, and please take care. And by the way, there's information here becoming a national monument for the Lau Pa Sat. Actually, Lau Pa Sat is a Hokkien word. Lau means old, and then Pa Sat means a market. So the development over the years